I want somebody to tell me something today, but she's not here. Where is she? Yeah. Hey! Hi.
Make some noise for the queen! Uganda, this is what they call a queen. But I see what you call it, you know, queen. I was gonna feel bad. Tokaba. Tokaba. You don't know what it means. Yalinye moto kasawa 10 mwezi okumacha to bring me a song she did for Queen Sheebah. Queen, I've done my part.
Hello, baby. DJ. This is the thing. What's your name, baby girl? What's your name? Queen the lover. That means she is the lover of the queen. And the queen loves you too, girl. Nice meeting you. What would you? Yeah? Now I interview you. It was beautiful. I want to come more. Mama keeping going. Mama twala. Banange muline mkatono. Tetuiza kuba mukubi muziki nga temuli mu kya makulu kye tukola. Katika tuweko moment ya makulu tona nnyo. Si bwe kiri. I'm here to empower women and youth. Okay? How old are you? 17. She's 17. Banange woba tewamuzaala tewakana. Woba tewazaala mwana ono ebyo emyaka gyebireke. Kati omwana ono agambye ali 17. The age is not the issue. Esinga obukulu omukyalo ono ayinza okuba alina kyayagala okunyamba. Alina kyayagala okunyamba. Oyagala toyiza kulekana muwe mwakadde dakikemu osanga nange tumuwe akadde ayinza okuba shibaddako bannange wamma wanje Sheebah ekeswaganyuma zibamuka kwindi laba ekeswaganya nambide mutononya zijana kufumitinga myaka mingi jena zena okufolowinga era Enaku Emukuute nafuna enamba ya tiimu yange bakumireko twemeetinge nga tetuli ku stage ndabe eddala kikyenyiza okukolera akatono nyo konyinza okuyambako njakukola. Hey, mama, hey, baby girl, this is for you. Lindako, chimanyi oyagala kuba naye lindako. Abagizi bange, olimba oluddako bagiyita yolo. I want to take this opportunity to tell you, please, we only live once. And if you have dreams, go for them. If you have something you want, go for it. Because life is too short. Happy New Year, my lovers. Hello, baby.